Have you ever dreamt of turning your free time into cash while chatting with people from around the world? Well, you are in the right place, and I brought you good news. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of online chatting, where you can earn money by simply sharing your thoughts and making connections. Chat and earn money online. This is real, my lovelies. You don't need to show your face or do any voice chat. Just text chat and get paid weekly. The platform is paying. But like every other jobs, you need to invest your time, at least 1 hour per day. Whether you're a social butterfly or just looking for side hustles, I'll show you how to turn your conversations into profit and start earning real withdrawable money on this website. If you are new here, welcome to WellPurse TV, where we discuss all things entrepreneurship, side hustles, finances, and how to stay financially independent. Kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification, share with family and friends, and like this video. All right, let's get started. First step is to head over to the website and click on Apply Now. Fill in some basic information about yourself, like your name and email address. This is what they will use to verify you, to make sure it's correct. So lovelies, while filling it, stay away from distraction. Make sure you're putting in your correct name and correct email address. Soon as you've done that and you click submit, go back to your email and look for the link and click on verify. You need to verify your email in order to move forward. Okay. Once your email is verified, it will ask you to complete your application, where you put in your date of birth and put in your state of residence and your country, and you submit your application. Wait for your application to be approved in order for you to move forward to the next step. Moving on, it's when someone reaches out to you to conduct a training and also verify your ID. Remember, your application is already submitted, and at this point, you are approved to start chatting and start making money. An agent reaches out to you and conduct an ID verification with you. They need to make sure you're whom you stated you are on your application, as well as training you on how to respond to chats. Remember, your job is to chat thousands of lonely people around the world. And it's very important you are trained on how to respond to these chats, okay? And someone may be asking or wondering, what are we going to be chatting about? It's basically about everything from everyday's life. It could be about sports, travel, weathers, dream, fantasies, or any topic at all. The most important skills needed here is an open mind. Just be open-minded in order to respond to these, questions. Okay. As a chat agent, you are 100% anonymous. It's strictly text, guys. There is no video, there is no voice. 2, you get to work independently and with full flexibility. You work from the comfort of your home. You are your own boss. You earn more depending on how often you work. In other words, according to your availability, the more time you put in, the more money you make out of this. And the fourth most important aspect of this is you are helping those who need someone to talk to. Loneliness could impact someone's mental, physical health, but you are helping to save a soul somewhere. Now, let's talk the numbers. How much is your salary? It's hard to say exactly how much your salary will be, because this is largely dependent on your availability and your skill. but the top agents make more than $3,000 per month, lovelies. And on the website, they break this down on milestones per week and expectation. Okay, week 1, when you're still a new chat operator and you are learning the system, if you are able to put in anywhere from 15 to 20 work hours per week, the estimated earning is from $110 to $170 per week. Week 2, when you are able to put in 20 to 30 work hours in a week, and at this point, you're becoming more experienced and you're getting to type faster, you could earn from $220 to $280 per week. Moving on to week 4 and above, you are now an experienced chat operator from week 4. Obviously, you've mastered the system and you could put in from 20 to 40 work hours. It's estimated that you could earn from $340 and upwards per week. And this is why they said, that top agents make more than $3,000 in a month. And that's not all. They also offer bonuses for top performing agents. Are there requirements to meet? Yes, the first requirement on the list is master English and writing. Remember, you're going to be chatting in English, so you need to know your English. That's number 1 requirement. The second requirement is be 18 years of age and above. In other words, you have to be an adult in order for you to be a chat operator. And the third requirement is simply agreeing to the privacy statements and the contract terms. There are no companies without, contract terms. So if you want to work with them, you want to read the terms and agreeing to that. It's one of the requirements. All right, my lovelies. Take action right away and start making money as a chat operator, as a chat agent. And I'm toasting to your success. The name of the website again, it's Remotely For You. I have left you a link in the pinned comment section to register. Kindly click on the link and register and let us all make this money together. Please don't forget to like this video and share with your family and friends. Subscribe to WellPulse TV channel and have your notifications on. Let's make money together, my lovelies. Until next time, stay safe, stay winning.